Ria, hello uncle. Do you have 100 rupees?
Yes, what happened?
I have to give to that rickshaw guy.
Okay.
Have you brought me here to meet this beggar?
Dad, you're misunderstanding.
He doesn't have money to pay the rickshaw's fare. And you want to marry him?
Dad, there is nothing like that.
Ria, you don't say anything. I'll pay the fare, then we'll talk.
Okay.
Uncle, can I sit down? Sit. Yes, uncle. Ask me. What do you want to ask? And sorry, I got a little late. Stop it. I'm not here to listen an excuse. A person who comes on rickshaw doesn't come on time. But people like you don't know the value of time. Sorry, uncle.
Dad, leave all this now. Do what you came here to talk about now.
What's left to talk about now, dear? And I can't give you permission to marry him. What does he have to offer you? The person who doesn't have money to pay the rickshaw fare and is asking you for the money? How can you be happy with him? I think that he'll become a house husband. No, uncle. I do work. Look, the one who works stands out. I want a successful boy for my daughter who can give her everything what she wants. And I'm sorry, I don't think you have it all. And I'm sorry, son, you will feel bad. You have my daughter trapped in your words, and you have nothing to offer her except words for sure. Look, uncle, you are misunderstanding me. Your daughter loves me, and I love her. What matters is that we love each other, right? Neither I am worried about money, nor Ria is worried about money. Ria is not worried about money because her father is still alive. And the other thing is that she does a good job. Yes, you are not worried about money because you want to marry her and live off on her money, right?
Dad, there is nothing like that. You're misunderstanding.
I have understood very well what I had to understand here. Now you understand this. This boy is not worthy of you at all. You have no future with him. I'll find a better guy for you, dear.
Dad, but I want to marry Sanju.
Strange man. What does he have to give you? Sir, your car key. Your car has been repaired and your payment of 1 crore has arrived. To which bank account should I transfer it? You wait outside, I'll tell you. Sure, sir. You have a Mercedes car and you're coming in a rickshaw? Yes, uncle. Actually, my car broke down on the way. So I took a rickshaw to come here so that I don't get late. And I told the driver to bring the car here as soon as it's repaired. And as far as paying the rickshaw fare, so I had the card and UPI, and the rickshaw driver was not accepting it. So I asked Ria for 100 and gave it to him. Son, why didn't you tell me this before? That something like this have happened. I don't know what I told you. Daughter, I like Sanju. Your choice is very good. Uncle, you didn't just tell me things. You judged me. That too just because I asked Ria for 100 rupees. You didn't ask me what I do or what I don't do. But as soon as you saw that I had the key of Mercedes and heard that I had transaction worth crores of rupees, you started liking me. Ria's choice is so nice, no? You have changed so quickly, uncle. No, son. I am actually the father of a daughter. I have to think about her future, right? I can understand, uncle. Look, how you are, how you think. I have nothing to do with this thing. I want to spend my life with Ria. And to spend your life together, your partner should be good. And for me, Ria is the best partner in the world. And I promise you, that I'll give your daughter all the happiness that she deserves. I'm sorry for what I said to you, son. I'm so happy that my daughter has found a boy like you.
Thank you, Dad.
Shall we go? Where? Uncle, since you have given us permission to get married, it's time to celebrate a little. Ah, yes, yes. Go, go.